Though there were concerns stemming from the energy crisis in Europe and inflation in the United States, Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, is hoping its $8 billion portfolio of deals will act as a buffer against any crisis in the coming quarters, said Chief Operating Officer N Ganpathy Subramaniam. In an interview to ET's Romita Majumdar, Ishwarbharath and Aashish Aryan, Subramaniam said the IT industry could fall apart due to moonlighting, which he termed unethical, and that it could hurt client confidentiality and trust. Edited excerpts. Your performance in the second quarter has been better than estimated. Are global inflationary and recessionary trends impacting you? Europe is trying to overcome the energy crisis and resolve its dependencies around it. The US is fine, and so is France, because they are producing their own nuclear energy. But inflation is an important threat. Economic indicators are different, but people are still spending. Most customers have told us that they don't want to pass on costs to customers. Clients are telling us that they will not cut down spending on any existing project. Short-term projects, 3 to 6 months, that give some savings or improve customer experience are fine, but multi-year transformation programs, etc., will go through a vetting cycle. Are clients bracing up for any likely crisis over the next few quarters? Our thinking is this. We've got a good $8 billion order book for the last several quarters. So, if a crisis hits, we'll always have at least about a quarter or two before we can react and then see how we want to adjust. We also have a diversified portfolio and cater to different markets. Nobody thought that the UK would do well for us, but it did. So, even in the tough situation that the businesses have to run, they will require a certain amount of optimization. Whether we will need to tighten our belts is something that we have to wait and watch. But we don't see any of these things in the North American market, where customers are a lot more bullish. That's quite the opposite of the recessionary trend. Corporations, airlines, hospitality, and industries are doing well. You have to see it in the backdrop of a pandemic, where people didn't get the chance to spend or go out. We listened to our customers, and most of them have told us that the programs that they are executing currently are going to continue, that they are not going to be cancelled.